How to fix if text messages are not coming through default text messaging apps in Samsung. To fix if the text messages are not arriving, you can basically verify the default SMS apps. To do this, simply launch Settings app and from here go to the option called Apps. And from the top you can select Choose Default Apps, and here you can select your SMS app, which SMS app you've set as default, and make sure that app is actually currently functioning well, because if the app is not functioning well, then that could also be causing the issue in the process. Second thing, long press the messaging app that you're using. Tap on this I button to come to the app info page, which will be found on any Samsung device. Scroll down and go to storage, clear the cache files, and make sure to clear the data and tap on delete, and just go ahead and see if that helps you as well. You can also simply try to restart your phone, because a simple reboot can reconnect the device to the network if you're facing any issues. Other things, you can go to settings, and from settings what you can do is go to the option called general management. From here go to reset from the bottom, then here select reset all settings and reset all the settings. This will not delete your data, but it will only clear the default settings that you might have changed. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.